Do you like to drink bubble tea? Yes, actually I like it so much. But will you be surprised if a TCM practitioner likes to drink bubble tea? Because so many people believe bubble tea can contribute weight gain and increase the risk of developing diabetes. I think this conclusion about bubble tea is a bit not fair. Hello, I'm physician Lu YuMin. Actually, the real reason is the high calories content, sugar, topping, and milk. Many bubble teas are made with sugar syrup, which can add a significant number of calories. A regular serving it can contain 200 to 400 calories or more. If you choose a milk tea with 100% sugar, it's equivalent to eating 3 bowls of rice. The second factor is toppings. The chewy pearls and other toppings add extra calories. Last factor is the milk. Some bubble tea recipes use creamer or cream, which are higher in fat and calories than skim milk or simple. If you're concerned about the weight gain or diabetes, consider the following tips. The first one, option of less sugar or no sugar. Second one, select a healthier topping or just drink without topping. And the third one, choose the low-fat milk or just simple tea. In moderation, drinking bubble tea is okay, but drinking it regularly with high sugar may lead to weight gain over time and increase the risk of diabetes. That's all for today. If you got any problem, you can find me at Liang Yi Shore Plaza.
Don't forget to follow us for more Liang Yi's health tips.